Hey guys, how are you doing? Google has just taken another step to turn AI Studio into an app creation machine. Now, while your project is being built, Gemini also generates real-time design previews so you can choose the look of your application without breaking your flow. The new feature is part of the build mode experience in Google AI Studio, which has been expanded to create applications with prompts, full stack runtime, and integration with real services. And the detail that really stands out here is very simple. It's not just faster code, it's a ready-made interface appearing as the product is being built. So, before I show you how all of this works in practice, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to watch the videos without ads and support us, just click the join button. Deal? So, let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to share with you this new feature that has just been launched by the folks at Google AI Studio. Gemini now generates designs for your apps while they are being built. Choose from 5 themes, click apply, and get beautiful ready-to-use designs, available for everyone in Google AI Studio. Before we move on, I want to talk to you about another new feature that has just been released. The folks at Anthropic have revamped the Cloud Code app for desktop. Listen up. We've redesigned Cloud Code for desktop. Now, you can run multiple Cloud Code sessions side by side from a single window with a new sidebar to manage all of them. Scrolling down a bit here, the redesign also adds an integrated terminal, file editing, HTML and PDF viewing, and a faster GIF viewer. All in a drag and drop layout that you can organize however you prefer. I'm going to open the app here and notice that now everything happens here in the sidebar. So I have chat mode, co-work mode, and code mode here. I can start a new session. Right below, I have the routines, but that's a topic for another video. I can also organize things here, customize how things will appear in my Cloud Code, including adding skills and connectors here, and I can also see the plugins that are installed. If I want to add others, I just need to click on the plus sign. Still here on the sidebar, I have this mode called Dispatch, which works more or less like OpenCloud, but that's also a topic for another video. And finally, I can customize my sidebar here by choosing what will appear. Then I can select here and click done, and now my sidebar is ready to use. And from this update on, everything I do here inside Cloud Code stays here in the sidebar. Check out this little game I created. When I click here on the icon, I can preview it here, and I can also access the diff, which shows what's different, what has been changed in my code. Besides that, I have a terminal here, the tasks that have been executed, and also the action plan. So, when you're developing an application, all these windows here are available, and whatever is happening will show up here. If you don't want to view any of them, just close them. In this viewing area here, I can interact with my application. So, I have the Space Invaders game here, I'll click here to enter. Done. I'm already here in my game, I'll activate the classic mode, and then I can interact with my app as if I were in the browser itself. So, this was something that was missing here in Cloud Code because sometimes you would create a game, an app, or a website, and there was no way to interact with it. You had to upload it to the server or save it as a link. But now, when it finishes creating the code, you already have the option to view it without having to leave Cloud Code. And if you want to replace what you're currently viewing, just bring it here, and then you'll add a new split. Done. I already have here side by side the little game I created and this other application. So, if you have 2 applications and want to view both at the same time, you can do that now using this new version of Cloud Code. If it hasn't appeared in your app yet, just update it. It's available for everyone. Coming back to the topic of this video, which is Google AI Studio, check out what Logan Kilpatrick said. Introducing design previews in the coding experience in the style of Google AI Studio. Now, while you wait for an app to be built, Gemini will create custom themes that you can easily choose from in seconds. Launched and available for everyone right now. Let's see how it works. When you open Google AI Studio, you'll go to the Build tab and choose the model you want to use. I'll choose Gemini 3 Flash Preview here. Now, you just need to type your prompt. I put a basic command here just to demonstrate. Create a simple to-do list app for me. I'll send it. And notice that as it starts coding, a message already appears here saying that it's generating a theme. Notice that before it finishes coding my app, it lets me choose between 5 different layout options here. This is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. For my app, I like the first version, so I selected it here, and now I'm going to click select. From there, what's going to happen? It will build my code based on the layout I chose. And why is this interesting? Before, we'd ask it to create an app and let Google AI Studio choose the layout itself. You could even add some instructions there, but the main part was up to it. Not anymore. Now you type your prompt and it already gives you 5 options. If you don't like any of them, that's okay. Just skip and then it will follow the instructions you put in the prompt. But this makes things a lot easier, especially for those who are just starting out. You don't know much, you don't understand how to create a layout. So here it gives you 5 options and you can choose one of them. That's it. He already finished and used exactly the layout I chose. Let's see if it's working. Go to the market. Add, done, everything's all set. Working perfectly. So, this ends up saving a lot of time. If you don't know which layout to use, you can choose from one of the 5 options it gives you. One important thing to mention is that this design here was on a list when I asked it to create my app using Gemini 3 Flash Preview. I made the same request using the same prompt, but this time using Gemini 3.1 Pro. And this was the result. So, when you select a more advanced model, a more powerful model, it tends to produce more elaborate layouts, like in this case here. I used the same prompt and it also gave me 5 options, but those layout options were nicer. So, this can vary depending on the model you're using. And it works the same way. Look, if I put here, go to the market, click on more, everything is working. It also gave 5 when I used Gemini 3 Flash Preview here. This option didn't show up. Why? Because it's more elaborate and requires more processing. And here I was using 3.1 Pro. So, pay attention to that, because the quality of the layout is directly related to the model you choose. And this option here to choose the layout doesn't work just for apps, but also for games. And that's exactly what happened when I asked Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview to create a replica of the Space Invaders game for me. I also had 5 layout options. I chose this one, where I can customize my ship, choosing the type of ship and also the color. It's a multiplayer game. So, I can choose the game mode here. I'll select Classic Casual mode. It asks to start the game. My name is here because it's a multiplayer game. So, other people can play with me and everything works perfectly. It's cool because before finishing my game, I was able to see what layout it would use. So guys, try it out. It's a really cool feature. It's available for everyone, even on free accounts. So, did you like it? What does Google AI Studio still need to become unbeatable? Let me know in the comments, okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Highway is a ghost and the moon is a dime. Moon.
Jordan slowly.